Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Pay on your device. So guys, if you want to use Google Pay here, I will show you how can you do this. So as you have to simply open your App Store or Play Store and search here for Google Pay. Here it is. And now you have to simply download the app for Google Pay. So as you can see this, there is an app, Google Pay. You have to simply download this app, and after this you have to open this app in your device, and then you have to select your country from here. So as you have to simply select your country, and after this tap on continue and add your email address here. So guys, simply add your email address. Tap on next button and enter your password for your email address. And wait for some seconds here. And after this you have to tap on continue from here. Enter the password for your email address. Tap on verify. So as after this tap on continue again. Confirm your phone number. The OTP will be sent to your phone number. You have to simply confirm your phone number from here. So guys, once the OTP is sent to you, you have to simply give that OTP from here, and then you will have to simply add your debit or credit card in your Google Pay. So once you add your debit or credit card, after this you will be able to pay your subscriptions from here. You can easily make purchases with your Google Pay account. So guys, in this way you can easily set up a Google Pay account in your device if you live in India, Singapore or United States. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.